Hello friends, welcome in today's lecture. In the last lecture, we start the point adapter classes. In that we saw the container adapter, the key adapter and the focus adapter. Now in this lecture, we see what is the window adapter, what is the mouse adapter and what is the mouse motion adapter. First see what is the window adapter class. The class window adapter is an abstract class for receiving the window event. All the methods in this class are empty and this class is convenience class for creating a listener object. Means all the window related methods are present in the window adapter class and all methods of this class are empty. Only needed methods can be defined in this window adapter class. See the next class declaration of the window adapter. Public abstract class window adapter extends object, implements Windows listener, Windows state listener and window focus listener. This is the class declaration of the window adapter class. So window adapter class is an abstract class for receiving the Windows event. Means all window related events are received in the window adapter class and all the methods in this class are empty and this class is convenience class for creating a listener object. And for when you use the window adapter class, for that java.awt.event package is used for importing all the packages related to the window adapter class. Next see the constructor in the window adapter class. Window adapter class having one constructor, window adapter. This is an default constructor. Next see methods of the window adapter class. There are total 10 methods of the window adapter class. First is window activated and the syntax of that void window activated. The parameter is window event E. This method is invoked when a window is activated. Means when your laptop window is activated, that time the window activated method is invoked. The next method is window closed and the syntax is void window closed window event E. This method is invoked when the window has been closed. Means when you close the window, that time window closed method is invoked. Then third method is window closing. The syntax is void window closing. The parameter is window event E. This method is invoked when window is in the process of being closed. Means simply the window is in a process of being closed. It is not closed. In between the process being closed. That time the window closing method is invoked. The fourth method is window deactivated. The syntax is void window deactivated. The parameter is window event E. This method is invoked when the window is deactivated. Fifth method is window deiconfied and the syntax is void window deiconfied window event E. This method is invoked when the window is deiconfied. Sixth method is void window gain the focus. The parameter is window event E. So window gain the focus method invoked when the window is set to the focused window, and which means that the window or one of its subcomponents will receive the keyboard event. So window gain the focus method is used to set to be focused window. Means it focus of the particular window, which means it receives the keyboard event of the subcomponents. So the window one or more its subcomponent will receive the keyboard event. Seventh method is void window iconfied. The parameter is window event E. Window iconfied method is invoked when the window is iconfied. Eighth method is window lost focus and the Syntax is void window lost focus. Parameter is window event E. This method is invoked when the window is no longer the focused window, which means that keyboard event will no longer be delivered to the window or any subcomponents. Means window lost focus is invoked when the focus is no longer is in the window and the keyboard input is not received. That time window lost focus event is occurred. Ninth method is window opened. The syntax is void window opened window event E. This method is invoked when the window has been opened. Means when your window is open, that time window opened method is invoked. And the 10th method is window state changed. The syntax is void window state changed window event E. This method invoked when the window state is changed. So total 10 method in the window adapter class. Next is mouse adapter class. The class of the mouse adapter class is an abstract class for receiving the mouse event. Means mouse adapter class is used when you receive the mouse events. That time the mouse adapter class is used and all the methods in the mouse adapter class is empty. This class is convenience class for creating the listener object. All the mouse related events are present in the mouse adapter class. Next, see the declaration of the mouse adapter class. Public abstract class mouse adapter extends object, implements mouse listener, mouse wheel listener and mouse motion listener. These are the interface of the mouse adapter class. And here for the importing all the packages of the mouse adapter class, java.awt.event package is used. Next, see the constructors of the mouse adapter class. Mouse adapter class having one constructor and it is a default constructor, that is mouse adapter. The next, see methods of the mouse adapter class. There are total 7 methods of the mouse adapter class. First is mouse clicked. The syntax of the mouse clicked method is void mouse clicked. Parameter is mouse event E. This method is invoked when the mouse button has been clicked or pressed and released on the component. Means when you click on a window or press any mouse button, left or right button, that time the mouse clicked event is occur. Second method is mouse dragged. The syntax of mouse dragged method is void mouse dragged. The parameter is mouse event E. This method is invoked when the mouse button is pressed on a component and then dragged. Then third method is mouse entered. The syntax is void mouse entered. The parameter is mouse event E. This method is invoked when the mouse enters a component. Means your mouse is enters in any component, that time the mouse entered event is generated. Fourth method is mouse exited. The syntax is void mouse exited. The parameter is mouse event E. This method is invoked when the mouse exits the component. Fifth method is mouse moved. The syntax is void mouse moved. The parameter is mouse event E. This method is invoked when the mouse cursor has been moved onto the component but no button have been pushed. Means only moves the mouse on the screen or component, that time mouse moved is invoked, method is invoked. And in that no button has been pressed or pushed. Sixth method is mouse pressed. Void mouse pressed. The parameter is mouse event E. This method is invoked when the mouse button has been pressed on a component. Means when you press on any component, that time mouse pressed method is invoked. Seventh method is void mouse released. The syntax is void mouse released mouse event e. This method is invoked when the mouse button has been released on a component. Eighth method is mouse wheel moved. The syntax is void mouse wheel moved mouse wheel event e. This method is invoked when the mouse wheel is rotated. Means when you rotate the mouse wheel, that time mouse wheel moved method is generated. So total 8 method of the mouse adapter class. Next is the component adapter class. Component adapter class is used for receiving the component event, and this method of the component adapter class are empty. This class exists as a convenience for creating the listener object. Means all the component related events are present in the component adapter class. So component adapter are used for receiving the component event, and the methods in this component adapter class are empty, and this class exist for convenience for creating a listener object. Next is the declaration of the component adapter class. Public abstract class component adapter extends object implements component listener. This is the declaration of the component adapter class. By mistake I am write here class declaration of the mouse adapter, but it is not a mouse adapter, it is a component adapter. So this is the class declaration of the component adapter class. Next is the constructor of the component adapter class. The component adapter class having only one constructor, that is component adapter. Next is the methods of the component adapter class. There are total 4 methods of the component adapter class. First is void component resized. The parameter is component event e. This method is invoked when the component size changes. Means when you change the component size, that time component resized method is generated. Next method is void component moved. The parameter is component event e. This method is invoked when the component position changes. Means when you change the position of the any component, that time the component moved method is used. Then third method is component shown. The parameter is component event e. This method is invoked when the component has been made visible. Means when you visible the any component to the user, that time the component shown method is invoked. And the fourth method is component hidden. The parameter is component event e. This method is invoked when the component has been made invisible. Means when your any component is made visible to the user, that time the component shown method is used, and when you use the component hidden method, that time the component is invisible to the user. So the component has been made invisible to the user, that time the component hidden method is used. So component shown method is invoked when the component has been made visible on the screen, and component hidden method is used when the component has been made invisible on the screen. These are the 4 methods of the component class. Component adapter class. Last one, the mouse motion adapter class. The class mouse motion adapter is an abstract class for receiving the mouse motion events. Means all related mouse motion events are present in the mouse motion adapter class. All the methods in this mouse motion adapter class are empty. There are total 2 methods of the mouse motion adapter class, and this class is convenience class for the creating the listener interface object. So the mouse motion adapter class is an abstract class, and this class is used for receiving the mouse motion events. Next, see the declaration of the mouse motion adapter class. Here see public abstract class mouse motion adapter extends object implements mouse motion listener, and we use the package java.awt.event.mouseMotionAdapter class. This package is used to importing the mouse motion adapter package or related classes. Next, see the class constructor of the mouse motion adapter. The mouse motion adapter having one constructor, that is a mouse motion adapter, and there are two methods of the mouse motion adapter class. One is mouse dragged and second method is mouse moved. See the first one, void mouse dragged. The parameter is mouse event e. This method is invoked when the mouse button is pressed on a component and then dragged. Means when you press the button of the mouse and drag that mouse, that time mouse dragged method is invoked. And second method is void mouse moved. The parameter is mouse event e. This method is invoked when the mouse cursor has been moved onto a component but no button has been pushed. Only drag the mouse on the screen, that time mouse moved method is invoked. So total two method of the mouse motion adapter, mouse dragged and mouse moved. So here we see total 7 adapter classes. First, key adapter class, second, container adapter class, third, focus adapter class, fourth, window adapter class, fifth, mouse adapter class, sixth, component adapter class, and seventh, mouse motion adapter class. Here our adapter class point is completed.